Madam, today is a hot. Do we have session or not, madam?
Yeah, we have session today. Today is Thursday, right?
No, tomorrow.
We don't have tomorrow, and on Saturday we will have then Sunday and Monday.
Okay, madam. Hi, Ali. Good afternoon. Ali, can you hear me? Hello.
Great.
Yeah, hi, Abdul
Okay.
and Ali. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
everyone. How are you doing?
Good,
Hi,
good,
how
good.
are you?
Hey, assalamu alaikum, all of you.
Salam.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. How is the training going?
Good.
Good?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Okay,
Hi,
that's
Shaheen.
good
Yeah,
to hear.
everything is going okay and smooth.
Okay, that's great to hear, Abdul.
Thanks for Nara, actually.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Abdul and Ali.
No problem.
Yeah, so can we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So let me
شلونك ابو
share.
ناصر؟
حبيبي علاوي شلونك انت؟
كيفك؟
ابشرك.
كيف الكوست امانه؟
انت شفت الايميلات؟
لا اي صح صح. ايش السالفه؟ ها؟
اشتكيتهم
Yeah,
عنده.
عند هذا اللي ذيك المره
وش هي؟
اللي ذيك المره قلت انه ما عاد جاء ولا يوم شيء شوشته.
yeah. So can you
لا
please
لا
try to?
شوشتها اخر مره يوم اني اروح عنده عشان الكورس.
إيه.
يا سوري نار.
Yeah, Abdul and Ali, can you please try to log on to the server? See whether it's okay or not. Yeah. So meantime, yes.
Yes, actually, I had a problem logging in. I told you yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, but not this, not for the system. I mean
Okay.
for the whole course.
Okay.
Yeah. Then today, I have reset the password 2 times until the second time allow me to log in.
Oh, first time it's not allowing.
No.
Okay. But anyway, second it's working, right?
Yeah, now it's working, but hopefully next time it's not gonna be the same problem.
Let us see. We'll try to fix it if the problem comes. Okay, Ali?
Yes, yeah.
Sure.
علي
So,
الادمنستريتر كم الباسورد حقه؟
Nipuna.
نبنة.
لا لا لا
NIPUN.
ايه الثاني ما ادري والله. انا حطيتها. يعني هو قال لي حطه فهمت. ابديت.
Yeah. So, I think let me try to recap of what we discussed.
ايه عرفت اللي تقصده. just wait
Okay, Ali.
a little bit so we could log in.
Sure,
عرفتها
sure.
BA 55.
Oh, password. Let me see that.
Yeah, yeah,
So this one,
BA.
P is capital, A small, 5555, W. You can see W,
W.
right? Dot,
Yes.
dot,
Dot
RD, RD.
RD.
Yeah, yeah.
It says there is a update available.
Okay. Just click on that
Close it.
and minimize. Yeah, just close that.
Ah, yeah.
Good. Yeah. So good. So then I need to unlock that VMware, right? Ali?
VM, yeah, and then control.
No, I need to go to
Yes,
that VM, send control alt del.
yeah. Then kuna.
Yes. I think you have got very good memory.
It's loading for me.
What Abdul? Logged in, right?
Loading, yeah. It's
Okay, good.
Yeah, now it's opened with me.
Okay, fantastic. So yeah, let it come and make sure that insert date is not changed. So probably we have to check that as well. Inside VM, if the date
Yeah.
is not reset, it's okay.
Date what?
Date should be older date, 2011.
Mine, it's following 24, 25, what?
No, inside VM.
Not Informatica, right?
Informatica, no, not Informatica. Inside VM, system date should be 2011,
Um,
2011.
every time I had changed the date, it comes again as the 2024.
Oh, can you please share?
I
Lale, I want to see that. That should not
Yeah,
happen. Can you please share it?
yes, I'll share. Then I mentioned that for you, and you told me it's fine, but I will share mine as well. Now you can see mine, my screen. Hello. تسمعني يا أبو ناصر.
Yeah. Have you shared it, Ali?
Yeah, I'm sharing right now.
Okay. Yes. Check the system date in the bottom right. Oh, double click and change that.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
October.
I changed it twice, and then I don't know why it's not changing.
Okay. Because it's IP problem is there. Okay.
I think when we log out and then log in again for a new
Hmm.
day, it
Hmm.
became back to
Yes, you are right.
2020.
But for me, it's not changing.
Yeah, and then apply, right?
Yes, you are right.
And then
Abdul,
okay.
yours is fine.
yeah, I'm changing it now.
No, you changed it. Huh? Okay.
Actual
That's okay. So
person.
yeah, that's fine. Now let me cover some theoretical part. Then we'll get into hands-on. Okay, right? Yeah,
Yes.
fine. So yeah, so we talk. Yeah, let me try to recap of what we discussed in the last session. So okay, yeah. So we talked about different types of cleanse functions supported by Informatica MDM. Yes or no? So we started with understanding what's then mathematical functions, then data conversion functions, and logic functions. Yes or no? So we talked
Mm.
about some of the examples under cleanse functions. If you go here, so we could able to see the different categories, right? Data conversion, logic functions, mathematical functions, and string-based functions. Other functions are user-defined functions, so we don't need to worry about it. Yeah.
Mm.
So that's it. After that, we started off understanding like how to perform data archival. Yes or no? Yeah.
Mm.
So to do that, we got into this particular staging table and settings. We enabled preserve and audit trail in the raw table. Yes or no? Based on 1 hour we have set it, but we can use any time measuring unit to perform data archival. Yes or no? I think we talked about that concept, right, Abdul
Mm.
and Ali? Yeah. So now let us try to disable this. Fine. So why? Because now we are going to focus on another concept that I'm going to talk now. So let us see that. So delta detection. Yeah. So delta means what? Change. We all know that, right? So now
Mm.
let us say first run. It's the first time when you execute a stage job, right? Then what happens? Let us say we have got one record in a learning table. This will be sent to what? Staging table. Yeah, we have seen that. So to be precise, so C underscore LND underscore CRM table. So the data got transferred to C underscore STG underscore staging table. Correct, no? So that's it. So which means here, if it is a one row means, then in staging also we have seen one row. That is perfect. Yeah. Now, let us say there is a data change happen or new data has come in. In that case, how do we handle it? In the sense, in the learning table, I'll just put here, yeah, bottom. In the learning table, apart from one row, we got one more row, which is 2. Now tell me, when you try to run the stage job, how many rows that we could see in the staging table? 1 or 2? Answer is what? 2. Yes or no? Yeah. So that's the ideal case. Yeah. In the sense, it is going to truncate existing table data. Truncate means complete data will be removed. After that, it is going to reinsert data for both the records. Clear, no? That's what happens, right? Now the question, let us say enable delta. No? That's ideal case, right? Without delta. Now we are trying to enable delta. Delta meaning what? Any change that happens from the source systems, right? Only those changes or newly added records should be captured, which means as part of delta, there are two parts over here. One, identify delta. I repeat, one, we need to identify delta, and second, we need to capture delta. Yes or no? Now, to identify delta in MDM Hub, there are two tables which will be contributed to identify delta records, which is modified records or new records. Now we need to understand what are those tables. The first table is going to be what? Learning table with the name of C underscore LND underscore CRM, right? Then we have got another table which will be used for the comparison, which we call C underscore STG underscore CRM underscore PRL, which is what? Previous landing table. PRL means P means previous, R means L means landing. That's it. No? PR means previous, L means landing. No? So as the name suggests, previous landing means, let's say we processed the first time, example, one row. So first time one row we processed. So when you run the stage job, you will have one row in the PRL table. Yes or no? Next time, when you run with the newly added record, or let us say this is the first run data. I'll just put here run 1. Now second time we are going to run, which is run 2. Now tell me what is a count in a PRL table. We have got one row here that is common. How many records do we see in the PRL table? There is only one. Yeah. But in raw table we saw how many? Two rows. Yes or no? Here there will be only one. Yeah. Now, let us talk about with newly added record. I'll just add one option here. New record. Right? In the new record case also, there's a first time we processed run 1, right? Then second time, which is run 2 with a new record, which is what this one. Yeah, new record has been added in a learning table. Then what happens? In this case, in run 2, what happens? You will have 1, 2 in the learning table, but in PRL table also, you will have 1 and 2. Remember that, which means we are going to compare what you call
Is it like
learning.
copy?
Yeah, it's a modified copy. If there is a modification or new, then it's a copy, or else there is no copy. You got right, Ali? Like
Yeah.
raw
Can
copies.
you
Yeah.
explain more, please, so I
Yes.
could
Yes.
understand what the what we use delta for exactly?
Yes. Just yeah. Raw table is clear, right? Raw table means copy.
Yes.
It's a plain copy. From learning, it's going to copy to the raw table. That is perfect. What you said is right, Ali. Yeah.
Mm,
In
mm.
delta, only change will be copied. Just remember that. Delta means change, right? Only change will be
Okay.
okay.
Uh, the change on
Yeah.
the change on the
Landing table.
row.
Landing table. Yeah.
Yeah. If you mean change, new change.
A new record or a old record also it would have been changed. For example, here new record we added, right? Yes or no?
Mm,
Then
mm.
that new record will be added to PRL table. Yeah.
Only
Now,
the new one.
that's one example. I'll give one more. Let us
Okay.
say
Okay.
there's one more run 3. Landing instead of 1, it contains what? Some other value. Let's say some modification. Yeah. So 1, 1, whatever, right? In
Mm.
that case, it is going to update this one with some other value. Yeah. So which means in PRL table, it will capture either modified record or new record. Ali. Abdul? Fine.
Mm.
Fine. So for now, you can just remember new record added, it is reflected here. Now again, if you try to run again with the same data, can you guess how many records you have in the PRL table? Same. There is no change. Right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Mm. Okay.
Landing is same, PRL is same. Now, now the question, what is our target table? Target table is what? Staging table. Yes or no?
Mm.
Yes or no? Now let us take one by one. First one. In this case, first run. Let's come from here. Staging table. How many records do we have it here?
One.
One. First time, right? Fantastic. Yeah. Now run 2. So how many records will have staging table?
One and two, right?
No. In this case, run 2, right? No
Mm.
modification from the landing table.
New one. This one. So we'll have the one only.
Exact. No. In staging table, it will be empty. Remember, that is the difference. So which means delta means it is going to compare landing table data with previous landing table data because it's the same, right? So because
Mm.
the data is already processed here. Yes or no? It is already processed, right? It is
It's
over.
it's not the new one.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a new one because
Okay.
same data and target
Okay. Okay.
table contains what? Empty. No change.
Mm.
You got right?
Mm.
Now we
Mm.
understood the effect of delta. Yes or no?
Mm.
If there is no change, staging table would contain empty. Yeah. Now the
Uh,
question will, yeah.
could you because I forgot what the difference between landing and staging.
Okay.
Could you explain the difference?
Sure. I'll talk about the difference. So landing, you know, so
Mm.
landing table contains source data or uh, yeah, or we can say original data where there is no
Mm.
change. Original data
Mm.
means no cleansing. That's what it
Mm.
means. And then
Mm.
now staging table. Yeah, staging table contains what? Cleansed data.
After cleansing. and
Exactly.
merge and match, right?
Whatever. No, major match will come later after cleanse.
Yeah, after cleanse, the merge
Exactly.
and yes,
That's perfect.
but
Like we talked.
it still will be in the staging table, right?
Yes. So yeah, now let's talk about yesterday we built mapping, right? Yes or no?
Mm,
Let me show that. Yeah. So if you go to mapping right here, can you see here? The right side is
yes.
staging table. So staging table contains what? Example, compare integers and whatever. This is a cleanse functions. Yes or no?
Mm, mm,
Result of that will be stored in the staging table. So
mm,
as you said correctly, right? After cleanse, data will be in staging table. Before
mm,
cleanse, data will be in landing table.
mm.
You got right?
Yeah.
Landing is original data. Staging is what? Cleanse data.
Great data, yes.
Exactly. You got right. Now
Perfect.
you got the
Yes,
difference, right?
yes,
Between these two tables. Yeah,
yes,
perfect.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So now we are talking about delta, right? Delta first time when we execute. So landing is one, PRL is one, staging table one. Clear, right? That's clear.
Mm, mm,
Now, second time when you run it, landing is one, staging, sorry, PRL is one, but staging is what? Empty.
mm.
Because if it is already processed, right, it won't process the same record again. Remember.
Yeah, no, no, no changing.
Exact, no change. Perfect. Yeah.
Yes.
So now let us say now we'll talk about the change. So first
Yeah.
run, same record. Second run, can you see here? We added one new record, right, in landing table.
Yes, yes.
So same record you'll have it in the PRL table. Now
Mm.
tell me, in this case, what is the data in the staging table?
Two only.
Exactly, fantastically. Yeah, because newly added record, right? Yes or no? That's it.
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. Now next time when you run this again, let's say run 3 with the same data, then what happens?
One
Landing
and two
on
and
2,
PR.
yes, PRL 1 and 2,
Yes.
and target table, staging table contains what?
One and two only.
Empty,
Ah, no,
empty.
no, empty, empty. Sorry, sorry. Because no changing.
Exactly, exactly. Because we have already processed here. So if you try to run
Yeah.
it again, which is already processed, right, then it will become empty. That's it. Yeah.
Mm,
So this way, these two tables, right, landing table and PRL table will be used for identify delta, because we need to compare, right, Ali and Abdul? Yes or no?
yes, yes.
If you try to compare here, there is no change, empty. Now, if you try to add a new record, so new record will be added. That new record will be part of staging table. That's it. Again, if you run the same thing without any change, staging table will be empty. Landing and PRL, no change. That's it.
Mm,
So this is a concept of delta. Now, can we do one practical example? 2, 3 examples. Yeah.
yes.
Yes. So let us try. Yeah, we'll do that. Before that, let me talk about the concept of next layer. Yeah. So we talked about this data flow process, right? Yes or no?
Mm,
So staging we completed now. Now loading we need to start. So loading, why do we need that? In order to send the data from staging table to a base object table. I repeat, in order to transfer the data from staging table to a base object table, we use what? Loading layer. Yeah. So which means without trust, we can still load. Without validation, we can still load. Yeah. But if you want to load the data with a trust, what happens? So that is
mm,
what we are going to see. See, if you say simple load, right? It's a copy. Whatever
mm,
data that we are staging, right? It will be
mm,
part of base object table. Clear, no?
mm,
Now, if you apply trust, what happens? For that, so we need to talk about introduction to loading process, and trust we need to understand, validation we need to understand, because if you look at this data flow process, we have validation also, right? Yes or no? Yeah.
mm.
And then let us see how it works. Yeah. Fine. So now this is a complete data flow process which contains landing, staging, loading, match, merge or consolidate, both are same, and publish. Publish means communicating output of MDM hub data to
Mm,
what? Outside applications. Clear?
mm,
Yes. Tokenization is part of match. Yeah. We will see when you talk about tokenization match. Yeah. Fine. Now let us understand the trust. Yeah. Trust is an indicative measure of confidence. Yeah. So can
mm,
you see here? If we have n number of source systems, for example, let me just put one example here. Yeah. So let us say we got source system one, yeah, which is bank one example, right? And source system two, which is bank two, right? Now let us say here we have got data for what C1 column will put, C2 column will put here. And then let us put the data here, which is let's say 1 1 and 2 2. Yeah. And then 3 3 and null. Yeah. Now let us try to put trust here, 80 trust here, 90 trust here, and let's say here, or we'll put 70. Then here the trust, yeah, trust, let us say 90 here, here let us say 50. Yeah. So which means these trust values we are going to get it from business, which means data stewards, they are going to give us the trust values. So we just configure. We'll talk about where to configure today on today's session. So we just have to configure it. Now the question, yeah. So why do you need trust? For
Sorry,
example,
Nara.
yes, sir.
My virtual machine is locked.
Oh, you need to unlock it.
Yeah, but I can't. I don't
Can
know
you please
what's
share?
going on.
Can you please share it?
Uh,
Okay. Go to VM menu. On the left top, you can see VM menu, right? VM. VM. Yeah, correct.
is it VM?
Yes. Yes. Send
Power?
control all del. Send
Sorry?
control all del. Send control all del. Yeah. Then supply
Okay.
password. Nipuna, right? Nipuna. NIPUNA. Yeah, fantastic. You can
Okay,
make it
thank you.
full screen. Abdul, please make it full screen.
How?
So there is a toolbar, right? There's a full screen button. From the right side, you can see fourth button, right? Which is a full screen button. Or go to view menu. Abdul, there's a view menu, right? Before VM. View. Yes, full screen. Select full screen. Yes, fantastic. Yeah, you
Okay.
got it, right? Then there is one
Yeah,
more full
thank you.
screen. There is a one more
Sorry?
here. View full screen.
Where?
Yeah, on the right top, you can see view full screen, right? Yeah, correct. So the complete screen will be allocated now. That's good, right?
Yeah, it's much better. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Date, you can check the, please check the date, Abdul.
Yeah,
Date
sure.
is 2011, right? Yeah. Make sure that date is not changed. Yeah. Fine. So now let me try to share my desktop. Yes. So I was trying to talk about trust, right? So trust is basically will be used in case if there are two source systems at least, or more than two source systems. This is the example: bank one, bank two. Yeah. So bank one data, let us say it is a trustworthy in case of second column. Let's say C2. That's address. And C1 column, bank two is what? Trustworthy because the larger number. Yeah. So which means there'll be more trust for second bank for the first column, and we can see highest trust for second column first bank. So this way we can define trust based on each source system corresponding to any column. Clear, right? So we define the trust at column level. Yeah. So that's where the initial point comes in the sense we define trust if we deal with more than one source system. Clear, Abdul and Ali? That's a concept. I repeat, trust will be used if you deal with more than one source system. Means
Okay.
at least two source systems. That's a starting point, right?
All right.
Now the question. So we talked about values, right? 70, 90, whatever, right? Who is
Yeah.
going to provide that? Data stewards. Yeah. So there is a
Yeah. Yeah.
separate role within MDM, which we call data steward. Let me type it here. Data steward. Yeah. So they are going to provide us these numbers. Yeah. Now the question: who can play a role of data steward? Yes or no? That's a question, right? So
Yeah.
now answer is what? The people who have got deeper knowledge on data along with what? Business.
Business.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So these if you have this kind of expertise, right, then they can play a role of what? Data steward. It's clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, it
Now the
is.
question: what are the points that will be considered by data steward to come up with these numbers? So to answer that, there are three important factors. That's what we are going to talk. First is what? Age of the data. Yeah, in the sense, since when we are dealing with source systems. For example, let's say this source we are dealing since
Okay,
last
Harry.
10 years. Clear, guys? And then this source, let's say we are dealing with more than, let's say, 20 years, whatever. Yeah. So this matters a lot. Yeah. That is where this age of the data would come in. Yeah. Then the next point, how much its reliability has decayed over time, which means what? How much we can rely on bank one and bank two, which is reliability part. Yeah. In case if there is any change, yeah, then decay will be specified, which is downgrade. Yeah. And then validity of the data. Let's say during decay, right, which is at 20 years, whatever, right? How much we can valid, or do we have proper data which is grown linearly or exponentially? That also matters. Yeah. So which means we are going to consider validity of the data, reliability, reliability of the data, and age of the data. So these three factors we need to consider while defining a trust. Who does that? Data steward. So we don't need to worry about it. Data steward should consider these three factors. Clear, right? Points, Abdul and Ali. One is the age, second is
Yeah.
reliability, and third is validity. Yeah. So that's it. Now trust values. The range will be 0 to 100, and reliability is a decay part, which we discussed already. Now we need to understand where do we use this particular trust. Remember, so now let us say we need to consolidate these two records into one. I think we talked about earlier. Whichever record per column has got highest trust, that will be survived. For example, so as part of merge or consolidation, now tell me, for column 1, which data will be survived here? Is it 11 or 33? 33, right? Because it has got a more trust. 70, 90, right? 90 has got a more trust. So 33 will be survived. Yes or no? Ali and Abdul. Now, second, if you take column 2, which one has got highest trust here? This one, which is source 1. So 22 is going to be the survived record. So which means the final record is going to be the combination of data from two sources. So one column data from second source system, other column data from first source system. That's it. So which means that trust.
Naro,
Yes,
just
please.
give me 1 second. أبو ناصر
عيوني.
تراست هذا اللي وشه؟
الترست هذا يا طويل العمر عشان ياخذ البيانات من مين؟ من أي source. It choose what source it can get the data from.
Yeah, which source you can rely.
يعني أنا أعطيه زي الألاود.
يعني شوف مثلا عندك source 1 and source B, okay? Source 2,
Yes.
okay? It all somehow give the same kind of information or data.
Yes.
Okay, you trust source 1.
Yes.
Okay, as you integrated it first, for example.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
you give it a trust level of, for example, 90 or 80.
Well, yes.
Okay,
شلون
because you
وش
trust it.
التراست ليفل؟
Trust level هذا number you put it
Yeah.
later
Business.
in the
Yeah. Data stewards they are going to give us. Yeah.
ايوه بعدين وش اللي ينعكس عليه هذه الارقام هذه وش معطيات يعني ديتا؟
اي اسمع الحين مو بديتا. انا مثلا اوكي let's talk about departments.
ايه
Finance department in the entity. Okay, Ali,
ايه
you give it score trust of 90 because you trust their data input. Okay,
ايه
okay, and you have HR department.
ايه
Okay, they supply the same kind of information, okay, about some information you need. For example, employees full names. All
ايه
right, how
Exactly.
who do you think you trust more?
Full name. Full name, which has got more characters.
ايه
Yeah, who do you think, which department you trust with full names? HR or
اوكي
finance?
اللي يعطون الديتا كامل اللي هم الاتش ار.
HR. Okay, you trust HR, okay, with full names. Okay,
إيه.
you give HR 90% of trust level or 90 of trust score.
ايه
Okay, and you give for finance, let's say 60 with full names only. Okay, once you received full names, okay, comes from HR and finance. Okay, you take the high score, which is from HR.
ايه بس
Okay,
anyways انا قاعد اخذ حتى من الفاينانس ديتا.
okay, you get some data from finance, of course, but it's not as the same of HR supplies you with full names.
يعني زي
So
زي
the full names of the finance, it won't be stored as long as it has duplicated with HR, I guess. Correct me if I'm
Okay.
wrong, Nara.
You are right, Abdul. Yeah.
اوكي فهمت.
Yeah.
هذا
So
أنا
هذا
اللي
التراست
بتسلك.
ليفل. لا 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 والله فهمت، بس انه اللي فهمته. شوف اذا انا
مم.
فاهم ولا لا.
مم.
اللي فهمته الحين انا عندي ديتا من تو ديبارتمنت. حلو.
اوكي
كلهم
Yes.
قاعدين يرسلون لي ديتا عندي انا في
اوكي في
هذول تو
السيستم.
سورس في السيستم.
اوكي
انا محتاج الموظف الفلاني اسمه كامل بس الفاينانس مثلا ولا الديبارتمنت الثاني يعطيني اسم بس اسمه واسم ابوه مثلا. كل ما اطلب هذا
لا شوف بالميتا
صح.
داتا. let's talk about ميتا داتا. نرى.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me talk
اوكي
about this example. Yeah.
اوكي you have an example.
Yeah. One more example. Can you see
yeah
my
okay
system?
يا
You can see, right? Yeah. Let me talk about
يس
one more example. Let's say
اوكي
we got two source systems, Ali, CRM
اوكي
and SAP. Yes or no?
يس
No.
يس
And in CRM source system, you supplied name. Let's say Ali.
يس
And SAP, you gave, let's say, Ali. Yes. Example. It's a full name.
يس
So this is a short name, right?
يس
And in CRM source system, you supplied full address.
يس
Yeah. And but in SAP source system, you have given no address. This is null. Now, this is the data. Now,
يس.
based on this data stewards,
But data from one person, different sources.
exactly. Same data,
Okay.
two source systems.
Okay.
Same person data. Let's say this is
Okay.
yours data. We got it from
Okay.
two sources. When
Yes.
does it happens? Let us say there are two banks where you are
Okay.
holding an account in two
Yes.
banks.
Yes.
When the merger happens between these two banks, you got right? Bank one and bank two. So you have
Yes.
an account in both the source systems.
Mm.
Yes, sir. Let me copy it here on. Sorry. Let me change. Instead of CRM, right? I'll put B1.
Okay.
Then B2, right?
Okay.
So you
Okay.
have an account in both the banks.
Yes.
Bank one, bank two. So in bank
Yes.
one, you gave name as what? Ali and
Yes.
full address. In
Yes.
bank two, you gave full name but no address. Clear, right?
Okay.
Now merger
Yes.
happened. Merger. After merger, what happens? So they need to maintain only one copy. If you have duplicate customers, they need to combine and create one record. Yes or no? Yeah.
Okay. I can
Now,
see now.
so that
So
means
I took the 90 from bank two,
exactly.
and
After
the B1 I took the highest, but I could merge it with one record after that.
exact, exact. Can you see here? After
Yes.
merge, right? You will have final record like this. Ali, yes, this is a good one. And second, address, which contains more characters. That's it. This is going to be the
How
good
can
record.
I identify the trust from
Now,
the
that's
sources?
data steward will do that because
Mm.
these guys, this bank is very strict on maintaining addresses. So that is why they'll give more trust for that. And this bank, they'll focus more on what name. So that is why more trust has been
Mm.
given for bank two. You got right. So
Let's
this
say
part, yeah,
if I am a data steward and I want to have like for one person his full name and address. How can I identify the trust and then
yeah. Still,
ask for the full name?
yes, full name and address, right? This is a full name.
Ichiban.
This is address. Ali.
Mm.
This
Yes.
is a full name and address. So you got a data. Let's say you supplied full name here, but in bank one you have not supplied Ali.
Yes.
So because they are allowing even short names also, but these guys are not allowing bank two.
Yes. Okay.
That is why we provide highest trust for this because based on the analysis, right? Data
Mm.
stewards, what they do, they'll give more trust for column one, which is a name
Mm.
column,
Mm. Mm.
which is a full name. Yeah. Then address, the bank one, they are very strict while gathering what address. So
Yes.
if you have a full address, then only you can open account, or else you cannot
Yeah.
open account. But
Okay.
bank two, they are very strict on gathering name, but not address. So
Mm.
which means that's a null or partial address. example. Yeah.
Mm.
So based on that, data steward they'll give more trust for address here and more trust for name here.
Address. Yeah.
Yeah, name here. Correct, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Now after merger, then what happens? So whichever record has got more trust, that particular
This
record
this
is going to
works
get
as
survived.
exactly like the firewall security level.
Exactly. You are right, Abdul. That's a good comparison. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I can understand now.
Yeah. Fine. You got right now. Concept is clear.
Yes.
So now let us talk about what the practically how to do that. We'll do one by one. Fine, right? Theoretically we discussed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember when it will be effective during merge only. Now during load we'll just configure and leave it there. But it will be effective when you run the merge, which comes after match. We'll see that. Yeah. Today we'll understand how to configure. Yeah. So please log on to this virtual machine. Yeah. So let me just start. Yeah. Yes. So let me just log in here. Yeah. So I hope you could able to see schema, right? Yes or no? Please go to
Mm.
schema. Yeah. And disable preserve and audit trail. So select staging table, then disable this. Yeah. Because we are going to focus on delta.
Okay.
Yeah. Abdul and Ali.
Yes. Give me 1 second.
Yeah. Take your own time.
I will reconnect to the server.
Yeah.
Oh, disconnected. Oh no.
Okay. Just close that and connect again.
Yes. أبو ناصر.
عيوني.
يا لب عيون شيخ. من وين ادخل على ال هذه؟
اسف عيب عليك عاد ما تصير كذا.
وراه.
وش اس تي جي سي ار ام.
Yes.
لا شلون ندخل على
Yes,
النظام هذا؟
customer, right?
روح لفيو.
Yeah.
لا
Yes,
لا لا، من وين ندخل على الموقع نفسه؟
قفلت انت؟
ايه.
Yeah. So go to
من
schema, base object, customer. Under customer, you can see STG CRM. Abdul.
حط مشاركة يا علي.
دقيقة.
شير يور سكرين علي.
Okay.
لا ما له دخل، هذا كلاس ما له دخل. لا مرة ما له دخل.
وين؟
راح لل ما كتبت الرابط. راح للهيستوري. شوف افضل تدخل
خلني.
الهيستوري تلقى مواقع مشبوهة.
So
لا
you
ما
lost.
مستحيل.
Oh, good. Yes, fantastic. Now I can just VM.
بلابتوب بالدوام مستحيل.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
يا أول شيء سب شيء. ثانك يو.
Thank you. Nipuna, right? Password? Yes.
نيبونا يا نيبونا.
Yes. Yeah.
Come visit
So,
us, Nara, Saudi
yes,
Arabia.
Ali.
Have
Yeah, I'll
you
come.
came to Saudi Arabia?
No, I've been to Dubai.
You should come to Saudi Arabia
I'll come, no? This time
and
I'll
let me
visit.
know.
Yeah, sure. I'll call you.
شكلك
Yeah.
بتشخطه. اسمع.
Yeah,
Come.
yeah.
ها فتح معك؟
Hey.
اوكي.
But
So what do
I,
you
I I'll
what you
support as
want?
consultant, Abdul.
Sorry?
I'll support as consultant for building MDM solution. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. During that time, I'll just come there for visit, like
You,
1 week
you
or
will
2 weeks.
be millionaire, Nara, if you do that.
If you allow me, I'll come there. Abdul and Ali, if you
وش
allow me,
رايك
right?
ابو ناصر؟ فكر فيها.
Yeah, it's fine. Anyway, we can talk
فكر
about later.
بالموضوع ذاك مو بالموضوع
Share
حق
share your contact number with
Screen,
us, Nara.
definitely. So I'll just type it in chat box. Yeah.
No worries.
فكر
Okay.
بالموضوع ذاك ابو ناصر مو بالموضوع حق النادي خسر
داري
يعني.
داري أجل.
Unless you
خصونا.
can just WhatsApp me. So yeah, we'll just chat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me type. Yes,
Oh,
I sent my number in chat box.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
So
just if you allow me a second,
yeah,
my system very slow. So, you said we go to schema
schema,
and then
base object,
STG,
CRM.
STG CRM, and then what we do
Yeah,
allow load.
yeah. No, just disable this. Preserve and audit trail is the right. Disable that
Okay,
checkbox. Yeah,
I disable it.
yeah. Fantastic. Now we talked about this delta concept, right? Let us do
Yes,
that practically. Yeah. So for that, enable delta. Abdul and Ali.
yes.
Yeah. So can you see here? So there are three options here through which we can configure delta. One, we can compare all the columns to detect delta. That is the
Mm.
first one. Second, detect delta based on date columns. We got deleted date, last update date, or create date. Or if you don't want it, we can also have custom columns, which means we can specify any column. Based on that, we can identify delta records. For example, let's say we are using business columns like C1. You got right?
Mm.
So please select C1 and click on add. Abdul and Ali.
Um, enable delta detection, right?
Yes, that's the first step.
Mm.
Yeah. Enable the checkbox. You are right. And then third radio
Detect
button.
delta
Can you
using,
see?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Could you please remind me? Delta is the one who identified the last updated and the error, right?
Yeah. This one. We
And the
talked
row, I
about
mean,
change. Change or new record.
yeah, change. Only identify the change.
Exactly. Fantastic, Ali.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So choose the C1, right?
Exactly. We have chosen C1. So we can choose any number of columns. So just for the sake of simplicity, we have selected one
Last
column.
update date, right?
No, C1.
What's C1?
Can you see? Yeah, click on C1.
انزل تحت مرة.
Can you see here? Detect deltas using specific columns. Abdul,
Yeah.
enable that radio button. Then scroll down. We can see C1 column here. Please select that and click on add. So it
It's
will update.
not showing me that.
Oh, it should come. Can you please share it?
دقيقة I will check your
Is it is that VM working or not? Try to click on save button. Abdul? Yeah, wait. Click on save. Let us see. 1 second. If it is saves, then it's okay. Yes, it's working. Fine, that's fine. You need to select third radio button. Next one. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, in now scroll down little bit. No,
C1, right?
yes, exactly. Got it. Yeah. Click on
Add.
C1. Add. Yeah. Now, yeah, right scroll. Do right scrolling. Yes. Select deleted date. Select that deleted date. First one. Yeah. Then remove. Click on remove. Yes. Fantastic. That's it. I think you got it right, Abdul.
Then save.
Save. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So, Ali, I think it's done, right?
Yeah, mine, it's okay. I
Okay.
chose the C1.
Okay. Fantastic. So C1 is selected, right? So we got
Yeah,
C1. Now save it. So Abdul
save
has
it.
done it. So we are saving it now. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. So I hope now we got like how to configure, right? So this is superset, guys. Detect deltas using specific columns, which means here you will have system columns like a date or whatever. Plus you'll also have user defined column like C1, C2, C3. But in other options, right, like detect delta by all columns, date columns, right? They're specific. So they're not specific. So that is why most of the cases we will be using this option, which is detect deltas using specific columns. Yeah, because you'll have more custom options, like whatever column that you want or columns that you want, we can select and say add. Only those columns will be used for the comparison. Yeah, clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we saved it, right? Now let us see what is a backend table to perform this particular delta PRL. Yes or no? So we use two tables, right? One is going to be what learning table, and second is going to be PRL table. Can you see here? This is going to be the learning table. Other table will be PRL table. Yes
Mm,
or no? Abdul and Ali? Yeah?
yes.
Yeah. Now we need to look at that practically. What does it contain? So go to SQL plus. Yeah. Go to SQL plus. Yeah. Describe C underscore STG underscore CRM underscore PRL. See, this is a structure.
This
So
one.
what is, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
C
Now,
underscore.
yes, C underscore
Yes.
STG underscore
STG underscore PRL.
CR underscore CRM underscore
PR.
PRL. Yeah,
PRL.
yeah. Abdul, you got it right?
No. Just a second.
Yeah. So go to SQL plus and issue this command, Abdul. So where I press the mouse pointer, right?
Which command is SQL?
Yeah. Describe DESC space.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. DESC space
DSC.
DESC. D is for dog, E is for elephant, S is for south, C is for cat.
Okay, then space
Space C underscore
C underscore
STG.
STG
Yeah. Underscore
underscore
CRM
CRM.
underscore PRL. PRL. P is for Pacific, R is for red, L is for land.
Okay,
Semicolon.
semicolon.
Enter.
Okay, I got it. Last update C1, C2 to C3.
Exactly. So you can see here there are two system columns. One online indicator second source row ID. So
Yes.
what do they do? So I think we talked about online indicator, right? Yesterday. What does it mean? It
What is that?
indicates online indicator.
Yeah. What does it indicate?
Yeah, yeah. It indicates, are we performing delta in a real time or a batch? If it is a batch mode, online indicator flag will be 0. If it is a real time mode, online indicator will be 1. You got right? So that's it. Clear, Abdul and Ali?
Okay.
Mm.
Now, now source row ID, second system column, right? See every row, so we need to have a way to identify in unique way. Like it should identify with a unique value. So what is that unique value? Source row ID. Every row will be identified with unique way by using this particular column, right? And then like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Yeah. Then we have these 4 columns, right? They are derived from learning table. Let us see what learning table contains. C underscore LND underscore CRM. Can you see here 4 columns, right?
Yes.
So from PRL also, last 4 columns are derived from landing table. Yeah.
Mm.
Clear, Abdul and Ali?
Yes.
Yes, fantastic. Now, let us look at the data in PRL. Can you guess like how many records does this particular PRL table contains? Answer is what? Empty.
Empty. Yes.
First time, right? Because we just configured, but we have not executed. Yes or no?
Yeah. We
So
have
now
no update on the data.
exactly, you are right. Now let us see the data before we execute, right?
Okay.
Select C1 from C underscore STG underscore CRM underscore PRL. See, okay, there is no date. C1, select C from is missing, right? Yes. Yeah, from. See, it's empty, right? No data. Yeah,
No
what you said is
row.
right, Ali. Yeah,
No row selected because it's
exactly.
empty.
Empty, right? We have not executed. Yeah.
Mm.
Now let us try to execute it. Yeah. Clear, Abdul?
Uh,
Mm.
can you go back to CDM?
Yeah, one second. Yes, you can see, right? Please apply this command. Select C1 from C STG CRM PRL table.
C1, then space
Space from
from,
space
yeah,
space C underscore
C
STG
underscore
and STG
STG,
underscore
yeah,
underscore CRM underscore PRL.
CRM. Okay.
You got right? No row selected, right? Abdul? Yeah. Abdul, you got right?
Uh, just a second. C1 from C.
Yeah. Typo problem, I think.
Yeah. It is type of problem. Yeah, no rows selected.
Yeah. Fantastic. Ali, you also got the same thing, right? Yeah. Yes. So now, Ali, I think you're in same page, right? Yeah. Now let's
Yes.
go to batch viewer. Yeah. Go to batch viewer
Mm.
and
Then
select
execute.
mapping.
Yeah.
Exactly. Execute batch. Yeah.
But we didn't do any update
No.
on the
First
rows.
time, yeah, you are right. First time it will be same. Landing, PRL, staging. Yeah.
Yes.
Let me go back to example. From second time, you are right. What you said is right, Ali. Can you see
Yes.
here, Ali? So first time when you run, right? Can you see here?
Yes.
Data will be same. Landing
Yes.
same. CR staging table also is same. PR also it will
Yes.
be same.
Yes.
Correct, no? So let me see here. Yeah. Here, look at here. It is same and staging also same. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, yeah, second time when you run, right? See, now landing and the PRL is same, but staging table is empty.
Yes, that's
So
what
that's
we
where
did, right? Right?
exactly. Now let us see. We'll go whatever theory we discussed, right? Same thing we'll execute it now. Yeah.
Okay. We go to mapping,
Yeah,
batch
refresh.
viewer.
Yes. Batch viewer and select mapping underscore CRM.
Yes.
Then execute batch. Ali.
Okay.
Fine. So now we can look at the metrics. Click on this run. Can you see here one record we have it in landing one record and is inserted means staging. Yes or no? Now PRL we need to check. How to check PRL? Go to SQL plus. Now select. See, we got one also here. Clear, Abdul Ali,
Mm.
which means the first point, like whatever is discussed, right? Run one, right? First time we executed.
Yeah,
Landing
I
table
got C1.
contains, yeah, landing table contains one record. PRL contains one record. Staging also contains one record. Yes or no?
Okay,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. We can also issue the query here. Select C1 from C underscore STG underscore CRM. See one, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
Landing anyway, we have got one. Yeah. So that's it. That's the first one. Now, let us go to theory. Second run, right? We talked about here. When you run the
Yes.
same job second time, what happens? Landing, it will be same. Staging, it will be same. But sorry, PRL it will be same. But staging, it will be empty. Why? Because no change. Ali and Abdul?
Mm. Mm.
Yeah. Now let us try to run it. So please go to batch viewer, select mapping,
Mm.
and then execute. Now we are trying to execute with no change.
Mm.
With no change. That
Mm.
is why staging table should contain empty.
Mm.
Yeah.
We do execute again.
Yes, we need to execute it again. Yes.
Can you, Nara?
Yes, Abdul.
Sorry, what have you done?
So we just executed again. Select mapping, execute. No change.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are following this process. Run 2. No change. Yeah.
Okay. Then we do the same command.
Yeah, yes, you are right. Refresh it. No, before that, can you see metrics here? See, it's empty here. Which because no change, right? Staging table should contain empty. So that's what we discussed here, right? Can you see here staging table empty, but no change in the landing and PRL table. Let us confirm it by getting into SQL plus. Abdul, what you said is right. We'll check that. Yeah, go here, issue the command, which is staging table. Can you see no row selected, empty, right?
Yeah.
Now another table, up arrow, select PRL. Same, no change. Yeah, landing, it will be one only. Select C1 from C underscore LND underscore CRM. Clear, no? So landing and PRL, no change, but in staging table, no data because no change detected here.
Okay,
No
got it.
delta. Correct, no?
Mm.
So this is the first effect of delta, right? Because we
Mm.
configure delta, staging table contains what? No data. Yeah. It's clear, right? Abdul and Ali? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now let us talk about adding a new record. So let's say we are adding what? 2. Let us go and do
Yes.
that
Yes.
and see the effect of that. Go to
Yes.
SQL plus and type insert command. Insert into C underscore LND underscore CRM Yeah, please type it. Insert
Just
space.
Just give me 1 second. Yes, let me
Yeah.
open this.
Yes.
Insert
Yeah. Insert space
space.
into INTO
Yes.
space. Yeah. C underscore
Yeah.
LND underscore CRM.
Then
Then last update date. Open parenthesis. Then last update date. Then C1, C2, C3.
Wait. Underscore. Then TRM. Then open.
Open parenthesis.
Yes.
Then
Last
last underscore
underscore.
update underscore date.
Underscore. Date.
Date. Yes. Comma
Comma.
C1
C1.
comma
Comma.
C2
C2.
comma C3.
C3.
Close parenthesis.
And close.
Parenthesis. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Space. Then after that space values.
Yes.
Let's insert values. Yeah.
Yes.
Now C1 we're adding 2. Correct, no?
Mm.
And C2 3. C3 4.
Yeah.
Close parenthesis semicolon.
D.
2 comma 3 comma 4.
And close paralysis.
Close parenthesis and semicolon. Abdul, is it clear?
yes,
Yeah, fantastic. Press
yeah,
enter.
that I
Not
think
enough values.
I
Not
have
enough. Yeah, can you see here? There's a problem here. We have not given the date. Sys date, comma 2 comma 3 comma 4.
it says not enough values. Yeah.
Exactly. We missed one column data. Sys date, right?
Okay.
After values, right? Open parenthesis, then sys date.
Okay.
Sys date, comma. Rest is same. Yeah. Enter. See, now it is inserted, right?
Enter.
Enter. Yeah.
Wait. I have error.
Oh,
Me too.
Line 1.
okay, please.
Not enough values, it says.
So have you given sys date here? First column. SYSDATE. After values, right? Abdul and Ali.
I have to insert it. What?
So just use up arrow. Then
Yeah.
go back and before 2, right? Just add sys date. Like for example, here, let me just remove. Yeah. Type here after open parenthesis, right? Type sys date. Sys date
This
and comma.
date
Yeah.
and comma.
Yeah. Then press enter.
Last update invalid identifier.
Oh, last updated date. Have you given the underscore date?
Uh,
Last update underscore date.
yeah. Last underscore up underscore date, right?
No. Last underscore update underscore date.
It says the table doesn't exist.
Table is C underscore. Oh, your table is LND underscore, no CRM. Abdul.
LND underscore CRM
No CRM.
underscore, right?
No, CRM is not there. Just C underscore LND underscore. Abdul, just remove CRM.
let me share for you my screen.
Yeah, please share it, Ali. Yes. So, no invalid identifier. There's a lot. This is column name problem. Ali,
What?
you need to give last underscore update underscore date. Yeah, last underscore update.
Here?
Yes. Type date update
Yeah,
before
I
underscore.
already typed.
No.
Okay, it says one row created.
Yeah, fantastic, Abdul. Wait. Ali, get into that date. Last underscore is there, right? Yeah.
Yes.
After UP, type date, DATE.
Without wait, what happened?
Down arrow. Click on down arrow. Yes, fantastic. Now go to last.
Here, type update
Type
date,
date. Yes.
and then
That's it. That's it.
erase this one or no? Erase
No,
date.
one more. That is fine. Now come to
Ah,
this after values, right? You need to type sys date. After values, open parenthesis, then sys date.
okay. This.
Sys date, comma,
Then
comma,
comma.
comma. Yeah, enter. Yes, you got it, right? Yeah.
Oh, one
Now I'll,
created.
yes, that's correct. So I'll share my system. Ali and
Yeah.
Abdul. Yeah. For now, so let's go here.
We typed on the row, right? We enter values to the row.
Yes. So now we have what we need to do? Commit. Do commit. Type commit. COMMIT. Yeah. Abdul and
What?
Ali.
After that, what?
Type commit. COMMIT
Okay.
and semicolon.
Oh,
Commit complete.
Oh, fantastic. Ali, you can also do the same thing. Yeah.
yes. Yes.
Now data is ready, right? So this one we are trying to do. Now if you run
Mm,
it, what happens? Staging table contains value 2. Yes or no?
mm,
And
mm,
PRL contains 2 entries, 1 and 2. Correct, no?
mm, mm.
Now let us run and see the result. Yeah. So go to batch viewer, select mapping and run it. Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, execute batch. Yeah. Now let us try to refresh it. Yes, it is done. And staging table contains one row. What is that one row? Value 2. Correct, no? Let us verify. This is completed, right? Abdul and Ali?
Mm.
Yes, fantastic. Now let's go to SQL Plus, Yes. Now let us check. First one, landing. Select C1 from C underscore LND underscore CRM. So we got two rows, right?
will just wait. I got disconnected again. Oh my god.
Okay, okay. Close that and launch again. So close this and click
Yes.
on launch web console. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So now go to SQL Plus and issue
Yes.
this. Select C1 from landing table. Yeah.
Type select.
Select space C1
Space
space from space
from
C
space
underscore. Yeah.
C
C
and
underscore LND underscore.
LND.
Yeah, it gives me 1 and 2.
Exactly. That is perfect.
Yeah.
So
One
that's
and
what we
two.
can see.
Same.
Exactly. You can see here, right? 1 and 2, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
we need to check data from PRL table. Let us issue the command for PRL
It
table. Yeah. Select C1.
it will give
From,
us two, right? Two only because we already entered two for 3-1, right? Hello, ناصر.
هلا.
وش وين راح؟
والله ما ادري يا ابن الحلال، الزبده ان الكورس مو بمره. وش ذا يا اخي؟ منا بديفلوبر.
طيب زبد له. هو عاد هو هذا الكورس اللي نطالبه. استغفر الله.
يا اخي ما توقعته كذا والله.
صعب مرة صح؟
ايه.
fine. So you can hear me, right? So now select C1
Yeah.
from
Yeah,
C
I
underscore.
just ask you. This will give us two, right? Because we already updated with two, the C1, right?
Exactly. You are right, Ali.
Okay.
Yeah. So now let us talk about
شوف ابو
reality.
ناصر، انا فاهم وش قاعد يقول وفاهم وش بيصير وفاهم كل شيء، بس ما ادري وشلون بنستخدمه هذا كله الوش هو.
Yeah. You can see, right? Two rows. Like what you said is right, Ali. Can you see here? 1, 2, right? In PRL
Yes.
table. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let us look at the data in what? Staging table. Staging will have only one, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is that? What is that one row? Value 2.
Two.
Because
Yes.
it's new record. Yes, exactly. We got 2.
Let,
That's it.
let me try. So
Yeah. Yeah, please check that.
select
Select C1 from
wait C1 from
space. Yeah, from space
space
C underscore
C underscore
STG underscore
STG CR
underscore. Yeah,
2.
exactly. So that's what we expected, right? Yes or
But
no?
we already have one, right, in a record.
One where in
Uh,
PRL table.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
remember.
the updated is 2. So this command give us the last updated only.
Exactly. Only most recent modified data.
Mm,
Old data, we would have already processed it. It's over.
mm.
Now we are focusing only on what? Newly added record. Clear, Ali and Abdul?
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. Now let us try to get into what? Yeah, if you try to run it again, what happens? What happens? Let me go back to this. See here, this is over. This run is clear, right? Yeah, now
Mm.
third run. If you try to run it again, what happens? Staging table would contain what? Empty. Yes or no? Because if you try to compare landing with the PRL, same data, no change. Sorry. Clear, Abdul and Ali? Yeah. Now let us try to run it. Yeah. Go to batch viewer, select mapping, execute batch. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. So let us try
Execute batch.
Yes, execute batch.
Then you run it.
Yes. Refresh. Yeah, it is done. Now it will
Refresh
be
batch.
empty. Yeah, it will be empty now, right?
What?
It's empty.
The
No
record.
data, right?
The last one, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I have total one.
Oh, no,
Yeah,
run it
one.
again. Did you execute last time, Ali?
Yes, but I think
I think looks like
execute.
last time you have not executed.
Let me execute
Yeah, execute
again.
again. Yeah. Then refresh. For me, last time was 1. You can see here, right? Now it is empty.
Oh yeah,
You got empty, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Abdul,
Last one it's empty.
exactly. Abdul, I think you also got the same thing, right?
No, I have one and both.
Oh, did you execute again? Execute again and see. I say it should get empty. Execute batch and refresh status. So execute batch and refresh. They will be reflected, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
So
0.
refresh. Yeah, fantastic. Now let us verify it in the backend. SQL plus, right? Go to SQL plus. Yeah. So now if you look at this staging table data, see no row selected. It's over. Because no change, right? Yeah. So we are trying to run the stage job which is already processed earlier. So which means we are trying to avoid processing the duplicate data. We are processing only newly added records. Clear, Abdul and Ali?
Clear.
Yes, fantastic. So that's it about the delta concept. Now let us start getting into what? Load. We talked about load process, right? This yeah. Now let us talk about load. See, first thing is what? Initial load. Yeah. And second thing is what? Later load or incremental load. Yeah.
Yep.
Then we have a load with trust. Then load with a trust. Yeah. Then we have a load with trust and validation. Yeah. So that's it. So then we have a load with a lookup, whatever. We have different types of loads. Let's focus on these 4. Yeah. Right. Yeah. So the first thing, in order to perform load, so what job we need to execute? We need to execute a separate job which we call load job. Expand customer, Abdul and Ali.
Okay.
Under batch viewer, expand customer.
Customer.
Yeah. Then expand load. Can you see load here?
Yes.
And you can see load job for STGCRM.
Load
Then
from
what it does?
STGC.
Exactly. What it does, so when you say initial load, it is going to load the data from STG CRM table to what? A base object table. So what is that base object table? Name C underscore customer. Yes or no? That's it. So which we are trying to copy or load the data from stage table to base object table. Clear, no? That's it. Yeah. Now let us try to run this. Yeah. Before we run, we can check the data in the base object table, which is customer, right? Let us see that. Yeah. So please go to SQL Plus. Yeah.
Give me 1 second. I will be back in
Yeah. Sure.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Customer then load, right?
Yes, you are right. So you got there is no data, right, Abdul? Back and if you see, select C1 from C customer, no row selected. Can you see that, Abdul?
Load from STG.
To C customer.
Okay, just a second, Nara.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, select
Select C1
C1
from
from
C underscore customer.
C underscore
Customer.
no rows selected.
Exactly. Because we have not executed load job. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. Now we don't have any data in staging also, right? So we got no rows selected. So we need to have data in the staging table. So let us get that. Yeah. So to do that, so please go to schema and then select STG CRM and then scroll up, disable delta detection. Yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah.
I will do it. Okay. Schema.
Yeah. Schema.
Setting, then enable
STG.
detection.
Yes. Enable delta detection. Disable that checkbox. Yeah. And save it.
That's it.
Yes, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. After that, we can run this so that you'll get data in the staging table. Yeah. So please go to batch viewer, Abdul.
Uh, can you go back to the system?
Okay. So go
Okay,
to
schema.
schema,
Yeah,
STGCR. Then
yeah.
this is disabled, right? No checkbox enabled, right?
Okay,
Disable it and save it.
okay.
Yeah.
Then execute.
Yeah. Now, yes, you are right. So go to batch viewer, select select stage job. Can you see here, Abdul? Select mapping. So we need to execute first stage job. Then we'll talk about load. Yeah, click on execute batch. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Ali, are you back?
Yes.
Yeah, Ali, what you need to do is please go to schema
Yes.
and select STG CRM.
Just give me 1 second. Schema.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
the same. No row selected.
No, it should come. Staging table should contain two rows actually. Let's come. Wait, just give me a minute. Ali,
Yes.
please disable this. Enable
Is
delta, right? Please disable that checkbox. Yeah, untick it.
disable the check.
Exactly. Yeah,
Wait.
there's enable data detection, right?
Yeah, take it off.
Yeah, untick. Yeah,
Yeah.
and then save it.
Save.
Yeah, fantastic. Now let's go to batch viewer
Batch fever.
and select mapping. Execute batch. Yeah. Now refresh. So now, yeah,
Batch viewer and staging or customer.
no, STG CRM
STG CRM.
under that stage,
Mapping.
under
Yeah.
mapping. Yeah,
Execute batch. Okay.
fine.
Then.
Execute batch. Yes. So refresh status. After that, now let us look at the results. Can you see there will be two rows? Abdul, can you see here? So we should get two rows, Abdul.
Yeah.
Abdul, are you there?
Yeah, I'm with you.
It give me error. Why? When I execute the batch.
Oh, what is that error?
I will show. I will show you my screen.
Yep. Please share it. Yeah.
Do you see now?
Yeah, it gives me two total records and inserted two.
No, that is old one, right? Date. So check the date actually. No, date is a problem.
It is
Because
2011.
11, right?
Yeah.
me
I just done it.
It's done, right? Now, one second. What is the last run result? Click on first one. That is the old, right? Old one.
which one?
You are
Which one?
checking the old. Go to the
The
top
old
first.
one,
Yeah, you
the
need to
old
check
No,
one
first.
is
no,
00.
it's not checked old one. No. It's a new one.
No.
This
That's a 10,
this
10,
one
15, right?
because this one it was. Do you see the time? It's
10,
11,
15.
12, 12. Now
No,
it's 10:50 in my system. So this one, the
no.
new one.
And this system is different. Can you click on first one?
This
First one.
one.
From the top,
Wait.
history, right? Select first one.
Ugh. This one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Bottom, yeah. Select first one. Yes. So we got one row, right?
Total
Ali?
record one.
Yeah. Let's do one thing. Click on mapping CRM. Click on mapping CRM.
Okay.
There is a clear, no. Click on that. Click on mapping CRM. And on the right side, can you see here? Clear history. Click on clear
Okay.
history. Click on that. Abdul, you can also do the same thing. Click on that.
Hmm.
Click on that. Yeah, correct. Say yes. So all will be gone. It will be empty. Yeah. Now you can execute batch. Click on execute batch. So no confusion, right? Abdul and Ali,
Yes.
you'll have only one entry. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see, it's same date.
It is still running. Yes.
Mm.
10:52, right? Yeah, you are right. Refresh it. Refresh. Click on mapping and refresh. Oh, you got error warning, right? Click on that.
Because
Let us,
we changed the date. You remember?
oh, rejected record, huh?
Yes.
Ah, click on view rejects. Click on view rejects. Oh, date problem. You check
Yes.
your system date. Oh, it got reset actually. 2024 is there.
Yes.
Date. Oh, it got reset. Click on that.
We should put current date, I guess.
Click on that. Click. Yes. So one got rejected, one got inserted. That's okay.
Uh,
Ali.
yeah.
See, one is inserted, right? One is
Yeah.
rejected because it's a future date, 2024, right?
Yes.
So that is okay. Cancel this. Abdul, have you got at
Yes.
least one record?
I got what?
One record inserted or not?
In the mapping.
Yeah, exactly. In the mapping, see whether you got one record inserted or not.
Just a second.
Yeah.
I have. I have two.
Oh, two means are very good. So which means you got all the records. Yeah, that's okay. Then it's good, right? Ali has got a problem because there is a date issue, right? That is okay. At least one record you have it, Ali. Yeah,
Okay.
this is perfect, no problem. Yeah. So now let me share my system. Yeah.
Hello.
So now let us yeah. Now let us try to look at the data in the staging table. Go back to SQL Plus, then run this query, STG CRM. So you will have one record, Ali, and two records from Abdul system. Please check that.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Go to SQLs
SQL Plus, yeah.
and then put the
Select
command
C1, yeah. Select space C1 space,
space C1 space. Yes.
yeah, from C underscore STG underscore CRM. Yeah.
From C underscore STG underscore
CRM.
CRM.
Yeah.
2.
Exactly. You got right.
Yes.
Only one record, two, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Fantastic. Abdul, you'll have two records, one and two. Yes or no, Abdul? Yeah. Abdul, are you there?
I think
I
he's
think he,
busy.
yeah, I think he's busy. Yeah, that's fine. So you got right. So can we take a break, tea break for 15 minutes, Ali? Because
Yes, I'm here. Yeah, it shows me 1 and 2 as well.
fantastic, Abdul. So
Yeah.
we're on the same page. Now, what we need to do? We need to run the load job. Yeah. So if you say load, right? These two
Yeah.
records will be loaded to where? Base object table.
Indeed.
Call back this, I think we talked about this diagram, right? Can you see here? Staging
Yeah.
table to base object table. Yes or no? So dotted
Yes.
line with arrow we can see, right? So which means we are copying data from staging to base object table. Yeah, fine.
Mm.
Now let us try to run that. Which one? Load job. You can see here, right? Load from HTG CRM.
I already executed.
Oh, fantastic. You are very far, what do you call, bit ahead of us. Let's also do that. Ali?
Yes. It's cute patch now.
No. Please select this job under customer load
Yeah.
from HTG CRM. Yes,
Yeah.
execute batch.
Yeah.
Click
It
on
says
execute.
inserted to total records to.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah. So if it is inserted 2 means what? Everything is fine. Ali, your case it will be only 1 will be
Still,
inserted.
حبيبي.
Yeah?
And total records only one. Yeah.
1, you are right. Yeah.
اسمع أبو.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, yes, that is done. Fantastic.
لا تاخذ.
Now, can you see here? Total records 2, inserted 2. Yeah. Other metrics we have, right? In updated, no
I
action,
have
right?
one here. It's okay.
Yeah. You'll get only 1 because there's 1 record rejected, right? Ali.
Yes. Yes.
You'll have only 1. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So that is fine. What you got is right. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So why it is right? Because whatever data that we have in the staging table, right? Same data will be transferred to the base object table. Yeah.
Mm.
So remember that because there's only 1 record on your staging table. That is why we can see 1 record over here. Ali?
Yeah.
So updated no action, right? They are applicable if we run the load job second time. Remember that.
Mm.
Clear, guys? Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. Now let us verify the data in the base object table from the backend, right? Let us do that. Go to SQL plus, select. Yeah, unless we can use up arrow button.
Mm.
What happened? Yes, this one, right? See customer. Select up arrow. So can you see there are 2 rows here, 1 and 2. Abdul, you'll also have the same thing. Ali, you'll have only 2.
Select from C1 from C
C
underscore
underscore.
customer. Oh.
Let us see that. Yeah, Abdul, you got the same thing, right? And then you got it earlier. Ali, you need to
I
confirm
have to.
this.
I have to.
Yeah, fantastic. Now let us try to use other client instead of command line client, right? For database, we'll use what? Graphical client. Go to
Mm.
start, all programs.
Just wait, please,
Yeah,
because mine is very slow.
yes,
So,
yes, yes.
so go where?
Go to start within VM. There's a
Yes,
start window,
start
right? Yeah. Click on that and all programs.
all programs.
And we can see Oracle 11G. Can you see in my system?
Let me see your system.
Yeah, Oracle DB 11G.
Oracle. Okay. Aura. Yes.
You got right? Yeah,
Yes.
fantastic. Now select application development.
Application development.
Abdul, you are doing right. And select SQL developer. Can you see here?
SQL.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
What should I
So,
do?
yeah, please go to start. Can you see
Yeah.
my system? Abdul, go to start.
Yeah.
Select all programs.
Okay.
Then Oracle. Can you see Oracle selected from my system? Oracle icon. Yeah. This one. This
Oracle.
one. Oracle Aura 11B, right? 11G, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, fantastic. Now select application development,
Okay.
then select SQL developer. Yeah,
SQL developer.
exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
say okay. Now, I think we're all on the same page, right? Yes or no? It's asking for
Yeah,
some
but
path.
it says enter the full path name for
Exactly.
Java.
Java. Yeah, we'll do that. Click on
Uh,
browse.
open SQL developer.
Yeah,
Browse.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. One sec. Ali,
Enter full
زبدة
yeah,
السبن فد
back name.
click on,
إيه
yes,
خل
click on browse.
اسمع ورا
Yes.
Ali,
Yes.
Ali, click on browse. And
Yes.
Abdul, go to D drive and select
Uh,
TMP. Yeah, go to D drive. Yeah,
where is it? Can't see it.
okay. One sec. Let me repeat. Yeah,
Wait.
now,
Disconnected. Oh my
okay,
God.
okay.
Let
Yeah,
me enter.
yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yeah, click on browse.
Yes. Let me see. Show here.
Yes, now we need to select D drive. Go to drop down
Mm,
and select D drive. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Then select TMP temp. Yeah,
D drive and then
TMP temp.
TMP.
Yeah. Then select JDK 1.6.
GDK 1.6.
Yes, click on it and then click on bin. BIN.
Yes.
Yeah. Then select java.exe. Abdul, you can see this thing, right?
Well,
Ali,
yeah, I see
yeah,
it now.
fantastic.
Wait.
Yeah,
I'm on my system actually. Now,
yes.
look
You have to
in
click.
bin, right?
Yes, you clicked on browse, right? Abdul?
Yeah, I clicked in.
After browse, right? Select D drive, then TMP folder, then JDK folder, then bin
Where
folder.
is the?
D drive. Yeah. Can I repeat it, Abdul?
Yeah, repeat it, please.
Yeah, sure. So
No,
I'm
not.
just
No, I'm on this page. Browse.
oh,
Okay.
click on browse.
Yeah.
So click on drop down, Abdul. Then
Okay.
select D drive.
D
You can see,
drive.
right?
Okay.
Exactly. Then click on TMP. Yeah, Abdul. That's the TMP folder, right?
TMP or TMP or
TMP.
TEMP.
TMP.
Okay. Then open.
Click on it. Yeah, open that. Then select JDK, second one.
Yeah.
Then select
Bin.
bin.
Okay.
Then select java.exe. Yeah,
Yeah. Then okay.
yeah, say open. Open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And then say okay, you are right. Yeah, Ali,
Yes.
you have done it, right? Yes. So we need to
And then
wait for some.
select OK, right? Open it.
Yes, you are right. Yeah. So now can you see it is popping up here? In the status bar, we can see Oracle, right? SQL developer.
No. Oh, yeah. I
No.
got it.
Yes. Abdul, you also got, right? Where I press
Yeah.
the mouse button, you can see it's blinking, right? Click on that. Yeah. Now, here you need to click on yes. Say yes. Say okay. Yeah.
I said no, to be honest.
Oh my God. That's okay. What is the next step?
It says the configuration file. It's SQL source either or PL SQL source.
Whatever, that's fine. Just say okay. Yeah. Say okay. Fine.
Okay.
That's it. Say close. Yeah. That's it. We got no?
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
we got
Okay.
this window. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we need to configure connection. On the left side, you can see connection,
I
right?
I didn't open. I said yes, and then it's gone.
Oh, where it is
Oh
gone?
no! Yeah, it's open now with me. Oh, very slow. So on the figure file type association, which one should I choose? SQL
Nothing is
source.
required. Nothing is required. Don't select anything.
Okay, just cancel.
Say okay. Huh?
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Next.
Now I can see connections, right? Abdul and Ali.
Connection. Yes.
Yeah. Now right click on connections and select new connection.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on it.
Yes.
Now we can supply the connection name. Yeah. So we can put here the customer underscore ORS. Yeah.
Mm.
And the
Connect
username is
connection. Customer underscore wars.
ORS.
Yeah. Oh, just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Username.
Now username CMX underscore ORS. Abdul, you are doing right? Nothing is done. I think Abdul is done.
And password.
Password is exclamatory
Okay.
CMX exclamatory. Right?
Okay. Save
Yeah.
password.
Yeah, that's not required. So then come to the bottom. Can you see here?
Okay.
Select service name here and supply service name as MDM
Mm.
and click on test. Yeah. See, now test is successful. You can see status is success, right?
Mm. Just wait.
Yeah, wait. Yeah,
MDM and then test, right?
test, you are right.
Test status success.
Yeah,
Yep.
fantastic. For Ali and for me, it's working. So we need to check from your system. Abdul. So Abdul is busy, I think.
No. I'm doing it actually.
Okay, doing it. Okay.
CMX underscore CRM.
ORS. Yeah, ORS. CMX
CMX
underscore
underscore
ORS.
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 Okay, the password.
Password is exclamatory.
Okay. Then 55.
CMX.
Okay.
CMX.
CMX.
Exclamatory.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
save or
No, save is
connect.
not right. Yeah, no. Come down. You will see service name radio button. Please enable that. You can see my mouse pointer, right? Abdul? Service name. You can see service name below.
Yeah.
Supply MDM there.
MDM.
Yes.
Then
Then click on test button.
okay.
And
Tested.
status should be success. Is it right?
Uh, it is okay, I guess.
So yeah, fine. Say connect. Click on connect. That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Now, if you try to expand connections, right? So
Yeah.
try to connections. You can see customer ORS. Yes or no?
Yes.
So within that, we've got multiple tables, views, all that. Yeah. Yeah. See customer. So here we don't need to type. If you select a customer, we can.
Excuse me.
Oh, yes, please.
After the test, what we should do?
Click on connect.
Connect.
Yeah.
And then
On the left side, expand connections only.
okay.
Then expand customer ORS.
Okay.
Then expand tables.
Okay.
Then click on C underscore customer. Yeah.
Loading. See underscore customer.
Yeah.
Expanded or just selected?
Just select it. Yeah. Now on the
Okay.
right side, you can see data tab, right? Can you see data here? This is the data. Sir, you will have two rows, right? Your case only one Ali. Abdul, on my case, it will be two rows. Yeah. Yes or
Yeah.
no? Yes. So we can see data, right? So this is our data, like 1, 2. Ali, your case is 2 only. Yeah. You got right?
Data. Wait.
Yeah. Click on data tab. Here.
Hmm.
Yes. There's a data tab. Yeah. Then you will have one entry, right?
Where and which one?
So here you can see one entry. After clicking data, right? You
Yes.
will see one row ID object one whatever, right?
Yeah, I have one only.
Exactly. So go to the right side where you can see
Okay.
C1 value as 2, your case. Yes or no?
Let me see. Actually, I have one row only, not two as
One
you.
row only. One row only, but value will be 2.
C1 two.
Exactly. Yeah. One row, your case is rejected, right? That is why it does not come here. Uh,
Okay, yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So that's it. With this, can we take a break for
Okay.
15 minutes?
I have so many column in the C customer.
Yes, I'll talk about like what they do. Yeah. I
Okay.
think we talked about it like system columns, right? So if you select this particular table, here you can see columns, right?
Yeah.
So I think I talked about it like what row ID object creator. We'll talk about it again after the small break. Is that okay to both
No
of you?
problem.
Yeah.
Okay. We need a break actually now.
Yes, 15 minutes. Yeah, right.
No
Okay.
problem.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Abdul and Ali.
هاي نرى. علي موجود؟
Yeah, Abdul and Ali. Can you hear me? Oh, Ali has not come back, I guess. Yeah. Ali, are you back? Hello? Yeah. Abdul, can you try to ping him? Yeah, Abdul and Ali, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, Ali, there you are there, right?
I don't know. Let's give them 2 minutes.
Yeah, please.
Yes, I'm back.
Oh, good. So, so let me share my desktop. So we just started with what looking at base object table structure. Yeah. So let us go there and where is that? Oh, it is disconnected. Huh? Let me connect. Okay. Yes. Now login. Yes. Can you see here? There are system columns in a base object table like row ID object. So that will be used to identify uniqueness of each record, right?
Hmm.
Then creator will be used to identify like who created each record, yeah? On which date it got created and who updated this record. Last update date means what was the most recent date when this particular record got updated. Yeah? Then we have got a consolidation indicator which will tell us where we are with respect to the formation of master data. I think we talked about 4, 3, 2, 1 indicator values, right? 4 indicates a new record, 3 indicates a queued for match, 2 indicates queued for merge, 1 indicates consolidated. Yes or no? So those values will be stored in this particular column. Yeah. So other columns we'll see as we go on. Fine. And now if you look at the data here, can you see creator, admin, you can see here. Why? Because we logged in as user, it's admin user. Yes or no? Abdul and Ali?
Yes.
And row ID object 1, 2, because every row will have unique ID. First row 1, second row 1. Ali, your case will be only 1, right?
Yes.
So now create date. On which date this particular record got created? You can see 29th October. Yes or no? Then we have updated by. See, updated by creator will be same. In case of any change, let's say first record got modified by some other user. In that case only we can see updated by is different from creator. Yeah. Then last update date, again this is also same as create date unless the change happened to that record. I said today you inserted, tomorrow you modified. So in that case, you'll have difference in last update date. Yeah? And consolidation indicator, by default, it will be 4 when you load the data from staging table to a base object table. So 4 indicates what? New record. Yes or no? Similarly for second record, the same. And other columns, so we have not performed any deletion operation. That is why we can see here null data over here, right? Then we have last word system, which means from which source system this record has come from, right? So which is CRM, right? So I think we added one CRM source system, right? Yes or no? So that's where this data is pulled. Yeah. Then that indicator, this is useful for match. We'll see that later. And other columns also we'll see later. Yeah. So that's it about like what kind of data does this particular base object table contains. Yeah. Now let us talk about trust. Like we talked about initial load is done. Incremental means if there is a change in a staging table, if you want to reflect that particular change, appears in base object table, then only later load or incremental load would come in, right? So anyway, there is no change. So even if you execute also, there won't be any difference. Let us execute and see. Yeah. So now let us configure the trust so that we can execute both of them in one go. Yeah. So let's go to what hub console and see how to configure trust settings. Clear, Abdul and Ali? So we talked about concept. Now we need to configure the trust. So please go to systems and trust. Yeah. And can you
Okay.
see it? Yeah, can you see trust here? Nothing is there, which means we do not have any base object table where we can configure the trust. So to enable the trust, we need to go to what? Schema. Yeah, please go to schema and
Uh,
select.
just just give
Yeah,
me a second.
yeah.
Disconnected.
Okay, schema, column 1, then?
Yes, columns. Please select columns. Yeah. And then, so we need to look at the properties to enable the trust. For example, let's say we are going to enable trust for C2 column. For that, select C2 and right scroll. Can you see here? Right scroll where we can see trust property.
Yeah,
Can you see here? Trust property here
trust, yeah,
and enable checkbox. Yeah.
for the
Can you see here?
C1.
C2.
For the C2?
Exactly, for C2 column. Yeah.
Okay, schema. Then where should I go?
So you need to select customer
Yeah.
and then columns. Click on columns. Okay. Then selected right columns
Which one? Wait. Give me one
under
second.
customer. Yeah.
Columns. Yeah.
Then under customer, please select columns.
Yes.
Now on the right side, you can see C2. Select C2
Yes.
and scroll to the right side. Can you see here? I'm trying to scroll to the right side. You can see
Yes.
bottom scroll, right? Yeah. There is a trust property.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please enable the checkbox for C2 column,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Yes.
And save it. Yeah. Yes. So this, see, if there is a data already in a base object table, if you want this meta configuration to be reflected, then we need to rerun or run synchronization job. Where do we run? I'll show that. Yeah. In batch where we can do that, but for now you can just say okay, right? That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, Ali, is it done? Abdul is done.
Yes.
Ali?
Yes.
Yes, fantastic. Now go to systems and trust. Yeah. Now can you see here? Now we can expand trust. Within that we can see what? Customer base object table. Yes or no? Yeah. And click on C2 column. I hope all of you could able to see this option, right? Which is C2 under customer.
Yes.
Now we need to configure trust. We talked about, see, trust is applicable if you have more than one source system. Let's say we have got one CRM, one admin. So let us configure the trust values.
هلا والله.
Maximum, yeah. Yes, Abdul, you have some
ما
question.
في شو اسمه؟
Yeah. So please apply maximum trust as what? 90.
No.
ها؟
Okay.
Yeah.
And minimum trust as 10. Yeah.
Okay. 10?
Yeah, 10. Yes. Now unit of measurement is what? Year. Because trust can be defined based on months or days,
Sorry,
weeks.
it doesn't shows me. It doesn't show me this when I
Oh,
when I click to C2.
Yeah, excellent.
Click on C2 under trust customer C2.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Can you
I
please
had.
share it? Let us see. Yeah. Ali, you got it, right?
Yes.
Okay, let us see that. Yeah. Yeah. Please try to share your system. Let's see. Okay. You need to click on that. There is a left scroll right on the right side. Can you see here, Abdul? On the right side, there is a left solid button. Yes, click on that. Left, left, left. Click on left one. Up, 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 up. Yeah, click on that. Yes, you got right.
Okay.
Fine. So let me share my system. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now you can see my system, right? Yeah. Now select CRM, Abdul.
CRM.
Yes. Now maximum trust
Maximum 90, minimum
9
10.
exactly. And unit of measurement is what? Year, right? So please select year and decay, which means how many years? Let's say 3 years, example, right? Yeah,
Which one?
3. Decay is 3.
What is DK?
Decay means number of years. It means 3 years
Mm,
total put
mm,
together. Yeah,
mm,
which means we are trying to define the trust for 3 years.
mm,
Let's say January 2024 to what? Whatever. Or
mm.
in this, yeah, for 3 years. Let's say in this case, we change the system
Okay.
date, right? So Jan 2011 to 1, 2, 3, 3 years. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
So now the next is what? Yeah, there's a graph type. There are 3 graph types supported by MDM. One, slow initial and rapid later. Meaning what? During initial days, there is a slow fall of downgrade percentage. After a while, there is a sudden fall of downgrade percentage. Yeah. For example, if you select here, right? Can you see in the graph in the bottom right? Yes or no?
Mm,
Abdul and Ali?
Yes.
mm.
See here, the first day, what is the trust here? 90. You can see,
Yeah.
right? Tool tip. Yeah. Now, after a while, after at the end of, let's say, first year, right? Can you see here? If you place the mouse pointer here, it is
Yeah.
81. Yeah. Then we can also see, let's say we give minimum 3 years, right? So we can see there's a one more here. Yet after 81, we can also see here what? 54. So 90, 81, 54. What is
Yeah.
the difference? Yeah, what is the difference between 90 and 81? 9, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So which means during initial days, which is first year, there is a slow fall, slow
Slow
initial.
falls. Yeah. Yeah. If I
Exactly.
choose rapid initial, then it
Opposite.
falls from
Rapidly.
the initials.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you
It's
are.
clear.
Yes. Now, so we can see it's of 81 minus 54, which is equal to what? 81 minus 54, 64, 74, 27, right? So difference here is
Yeah.
27. Yeah. So which means first year only 9, second year 27 at the end of second year. And end of
Yeah.
last year, we can see 54 minus how much? 10, which is a 44, which means 9, 27, 44. So last year there is sudden fall. Yeah. So that's it. So that's what we can see. Who is going to provide these values? Data steward. Remember that. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Now let us define admin source system also. Let's say this is 90, this is a 10, and unit
So
of measurement. Yeah.
won't this help us about the data retention?
Yes, data retention, it is not, but it will help us to create a master data, Abdul. Yeah,
Okay.
Abdul. So fine. Anyway, we'll see examples. Then unit of measurement here you can supply 3 here. Yeah. And as you said, Abdul, we can select here rapid initial and slow later. Yeah. So now we can see the effect of that in the graph. Look at here. The first starting here is what? 90. Then we
Yeah.
have, yes, you can see here, end of first year, see here how much. Huh? So here we have 45. 90 minus 45, how much? 45. So as you were saying, right, during initial days, there is a rapid fall or sudden fall. Yeah. Then as you go to the next year or next year, right, it will go down, which is slow fall. So this is 45. At the end of second year, we can place the tooltip here, right? You'll get 18. 45 minus 18, which is equal to what? 27 like that. Yeah. So then at the end of third year, we can see what? 18 minus 10, which is only 8. Yeah. This is quite opposite to slow initial and rapid later. Yes or no, Abdul and Ali?
Yes.
Yeah, Ali, is it clear? Abdul, you got it. Ali?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, fantastic. So now we can see legends here, like admin indicates red, legends in the bottom, right? Red indicates admin source system, blue indicates CRM source system. Yeah,
Mm.
so that's it. Now we can just save it. Yeah. So this way we can define the trust for any number of source systems. Yeah. Now the question, where these trust values would get stored in the backend table? Yes or no? So to answer that, let's go to SQL developer.
You mean when?
Where does it get stored? We configure trust, right?
Yeah.
It has to be stored somewhere. Yeah. So that we are
We
going to
we
see.
d- we,
Like in
we
which,
disconnected.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is it connected now, Abdul?
Yeah, connected now.
Yeah. Now go to this customer ORS in SQL developer. Select that. There is a table called C repos column trust. Yeah. Select star from C underscore repos underscore sys underscore call underscore trust. Yeah. So please try to issue this command from SQL developer and then run it.
Just give me
Select
1 second.
space
Yeah.
star
Yeah. Select star, select space star space from,
from.
yeah, space
Yeah.
Select
C
star.
underscore,
C underscore
yeah, yeah, one second then. So select space star Ali
Yes, space
space from FROM,
from.
then space, then C underscore Abdul,
Yes.
C underscore, then repos, REPOS,
Yes.
underscore
Yes.
sys sys
Yes.
underscore call col
Call underscore trust.
exactly underscore trust. You are right. Yeah. Then select
Semicomma.
this
Oh,
query.
okay.
A semicolon is not required. Select this and run. Can you see run button here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Execute command. That's it. Yeah. Now we can see two entries here, right? Yes or no?
Where can I run?
Yeah, there is
Please
a
show.
green triangle button. Can you
Mm.
see where I press the
Yeah.
mouse pointer?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that. Yeah. So now we can see two entries here. I hope you have the same thing, right? Yes or no? Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah. If there is a typo problem in table, right, you'll have some issue.
Uh, how can I scroll down? Because nothing is here. I can't sure.
I
Oh,
don't
scroll
have
down.
this one. I think.
Uh-huh. Can you please share? Let us see. Abdul. Yeah. So let us, yeah, he's sharing it. Yes. See, repos. Okay. You need to bring it up. Abdul, you can see here middle from after white space, right? There are two lines, horizontal lines, right? Press the cursor there, Abdul. Yes, bring it up. No,
Which
here
one?
only. Press the cursor after white space. Top. In query we have white space, right? Yeah. There are two lines here. Yeah, click on up arrow. Yeah, click on it. Yeah. So you can see it here. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Ali, you can also see, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. Let me share my desktop. Yes. So where is my system? Yeah. So that's it. I'm just putting in both in a sense, query in the top, data in the bottom. To get this, no, can you see here where I press the mouse pointer, Abdul and Ali?
Mm.
Yeah.
You can just scroll down like this or scroll up like this so that we can
Mm.
see both
Mm.
query and also data. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, perfect. So now can you see here? So these are the system columns. This is a unique ID. Then who created this particular trust values? So when it
Yeah.
got created, sorry, and who created this? An updated part, an updated by. Then source system name. Can you see?
Mm.
Yeah.
CRM and sys0 indicates what admin source system. That is a
Mm.
default. Yeah, because we have already seen two sources here, right? Yeah, second is admin. First is what? CRM. Now I can ask question why we have sys0. To answer that, we can go to system and see admin, right? So
Yes.
what is the name here? Sys0. So
Yes.
that is what we can see in the backend table. Yes or no? Sys0. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Now row ID column
Even the trust is
different. Yeah.
I have 10190 for the trust.
Yeah. So you have trust, maximum trust is 90, right? Yes or no?
I have one of them is 90, which is
Uh,
the CRM.
okay. But in that case, you would have given some other values, not
Maybe,
same as,
maybe.
yeah,
Yeah.
what I supplied. So you can verify, Abdul. Go to that trust settings. select systems and trust and C2 here. Here I can check. See admin what you gave here. Have you given 90 here? If yes, 90 should come there. Abdul?
Yeah, I'm checking it now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ali?
I haven't.
Yeah, you can supply that. You can supply and save it again so that you can see that there. Yeah. Fine. So now can you see 3? 3 what we gave? DK, right? Yes or no? And time unit is what? Year. We selected year, right? That's why you can see Y.
Yes.
And graph type, we have got 3 graph types, right? One, slow initial and rapid later. And second, rapid initial and slow later. Yes or no? Now for CRM, we selected what? Slow initial rapid later. The and the indicator value is what? 0. So 0 indicates slow initial rapid later. 1 indicates rapid initial slow later. Yeah, fine. And minimum trust we gave was 10. So which means in this table we can see all the settings that we configured as part of trust settings framework. Yeah. So whatever is configured here, complete stuff we could able to see in the backend table. Yes or no, Abdul and Ali?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So that's it about trust. Now the next question, we talked about validation rules, right? Yes or no? Yeah. So there's a one more concept, trust and validation. Yeah. I think we talked about concept, right? Validation will be used in order to what? Downgrade trust. Yeah. Based on the condition. So downgrade trust based on the condition. I think we talked about it. Let me try
Yeah.
to repeat. Yeah. If C1 is equal, yes or no? Or I'll just put equals
Null.
null. Exactly. You remember, you have very good memory, Abdul. So equals null. Yeah. Then we just downgraded trust. Yes, sir.
550. Yeah.
Exactly. So here 50 percentage, whatever, right? 50
Yeah.
percentage of downgrade. Yeah. Now, now, so based on this, final trust score will be calculated, which is equal to initial trust, which is a formula. Initial trust initial trust minus initial trust into downgrade percentage, downgrade percentage divided by 100. So this is a formula that we are going to use in order to calculate final trust score. Yes or no? Yeah. So that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Now let us try to apply. So we talked about, let us say, some example, right? Somewhere. Let us take the same example. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Let's say here we got 90, right? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me modify this data. Yeah. So my God. Copy. So let's say we have this. Yeah. Now let us say here instead of 90, we got what? Null. So instead of valid data, we got, let's say, null. Then what happens? Null, it got satisfied. Yes or no? Now tell me, how do you calculate final trust over here? What is initial trust? 95, 90. Yes or no? Minus initial trust, which is 90, into downgrade percentage, how much? Which is 50, right? Yes or no? 50 divided by 100. Now tell me, 90 minus 45, which is equal to 45. So final trust score, it is converted from 90 to 45. Yeah. Now the things will be reversed. When you try to create a master data, right, this is going to get survived because the trust value here is greater than the modified trust. So Ali and this address will be part of master data. Is it clear, Abdul and Ali?
Yeah, it is
Mm.
clear.
Okay, that's it. Now let us try to configure validation rules. Yeah. So this we are trying to do based on a validation rule only, right? Now we need to know how to configure validation rules. Yeah. To do that, so please select base object table. Yeah. Can you see here validation rule setup? Yes or no?
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Under what?
Under customer.
Customer, and then which one? C2?
No, under customer validation rule setup.
And where? Which one? System and trust or
No. Under base objects, customer, and then validation rules. Yeah.
yeah, validation rules.
Setup. Yeah.
Yes.
Abdul, you can see that Abdul, right? Abdul? Yeah, I think yes. Yeah. Abdul, you are on the same page, right?
Not really. No.
Okay.
Validation.
Yeah, go to schema,
Yeah,
then go to base objects, customer. Under that, you can see validation rules setup. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Now, can you see in the message, right? There are no
Validation
validation column
column defined.
defined. So, which
Yeah.
means we need to enable the column as what? Validation enable column. Where do you do that? We need to go to columns. Please go to columns.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, so wherever trust is enabled, right? So we can use validation property. Can you see here validate property?
Mm.
So please enable that. Yeah.
Where, please?
Validate, right?
Yes, validate. Ali,
We're
select
talking about C2.
C2 only. C2 only. Wherever trust is enabled, right? Enable the
Yeah.
Mm.
validate. Validate. Yeah.
متى بتطلع؟
Yeah. Ali, you found right?
Validate. Enable validate.
Exactly. You are right. Yeah.
Okay.
Done. Yeah.
Yes.
Abdul, I think it's done, right? Then save it. Yeah.
Save it.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. Now we can go to validation rules setup. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now can you see? Now we can configure. Earlier we got the message, right? There are
Yes.
no validation rules defined. Yes or no?
Yeah.
No, I have no message.
Now we can see no message because we
Yeah.
enabled, right? Yeah,
Yes.
perfect. Now right click on this white space, white panel, right?
Okay.
Right click and we can see add validation rule.
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Abdul? Yes, perfect.
Yes.
So click on add validation rule. Yeah.
Role name trust, maybe,
Yeah.
or validation.
No. Can you see here? There are different rule types supported by MDM. The first rule type is what? Existing check, which means null or not null. So you can just put null check Abdul and Ali. So which means this validation rule is basically checks null or not null. Yeah.
Mm. Type this or what?
Yes, we need to type this.
Null
Okay. Then
Null check. Yeah.
underscore.
Check.
Okay.
Alawi.
Yeah. Now can you see downgrade percentage? That's what we
Yeah.
discussed, right? So we can
Yes.
just apply here. Let's say 50. Yeah.
50, right?
Yes. Yes. Now SQL. Can you see here where S dot C1? So you can just put here S dot C2. Yeah. Because we are using C2 as a trust enabled column. Yes or no? And C2 as a validation column. So that's why we selected C2 column here. If it is a
Yes.
null, yeah, if it is a null, then
Divide by
50%,
50 or downgrade it.
50%. Exactly. Downgrade to 50%. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Clear, no? Say okay. Yeah, perfect. One validation rule, it has been configured. Yeah. Now define one more. Right click and add validation rule. Yeah. So now we can go with what? Second one, which is domain check. So then let us put here domain rule. Right? Yes or no? Now downgrade percentage, let's say we'll put 60 here. Fine. Then now
You're
we need to
talking
define.
about okay,
Yeah.
we do the same, right? But this time with
Yeah, this is something different, but yeah, supply this rule name.
Just give me 1 second. I get disconnected.
Okay.
domain
Underscore rule.
okay.
Yeah.
By
So
60
then
you're downgrade, right?
you are right, Abdul.
Okay, by 60. Then
Yeah.
S2.
Yeah. We need to select C2.
C2, sorry, C2, sorry.
Yeah.
C2 then?
Yeah, 1 second. Are you doing it? Yes. Now you can select instead of in, right? You can put not in. Yeah.
So downgrade is 60, and then
Yes. Downgrade
If
to
it's
60
null, right?
and not in. You can put not in. Let us say one. Let us say is it from this is a country code. South Arabia. I'll put here SA. Fine.
Sorry, I only have null or not null.
No, 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 no. You need to select domain check here. You need to select domain check here. Rule type. Abdul.
Domain check, okay.
Okay.
SA.
Yeah, SA.
Okay.
1 second, 1 second. Abdul, and now you can select C2 not in, right?
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. SA. Then add one more. Can you see add domain value? Yeah. So then you can put some other code, which is some other, let's say IN, which is India. Fine. So that's it. Yeah. Likewise, you can add any number of values, which means if you don't get data from either South Arabia or India, right? Then we are going to downgrade. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, is it clear, Abdul and Ali?
How can I?
Yeah. Yes, Ali. Abdul, you had some question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So not in, you can just put SA. After that, click on add domain value and type IN whatever. Yeah.
Where to add domain value?
Yeah, there's a add domain value. You can put IN. Yeah. Domain means range. So we are going to check list of values. If input data does not one of this, then We are going to downgrade, Abdul. Abdul, is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. And then say okay. Ali, is it done? Ali?
Yes.
Ah, fantastic. Say okay. Over. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the second rule. Now, third rule, right click and add validation rule. Yeah. So in
Hello.
this,
Hello.
yes, please. Yeah, in this you can select pattern validation. Yeah. Then supply the rule name, which is pattern underscore rule.
Select OK after domain check.
After domain check, say okay. Yeah, you are right. Only.
And then new validation, right?
Yes, add validation rule. Yeah.
Pattern validation.
Yes. Yeah. So please select pattern validation this time. Yeah.
Okay, downgrade by how much?
You can put 70. 70. Yeah.
Okay. Where?
Yeah. Where clause? Let's select
C2.
C2.
Then
C2 not like. You can put not like. Yeah.
okay.
You can put here SA, which is South Arabia. Fine. If it is not like South Arabia or SA, then we are going to downgrade here. You got right?
Okay.
Yeah. Ali,
Pattern, how much? 70.
70. Yeah.
And then what else?
Where condition? Yes,
Where
C2 you need to,
condition?
yeah, so select C2
C2.
here.
Yeah. And
Not
then
like, not like, yeah.
Then okay.
Yeah. Select yes. Say okay. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Ali, you can supply SA. Yeah.
SA.
Yeah. Just type SA.
Then okay.
Yeah, and then press OK. Yeah.
Mm.
Now we added 3 rules. Yes or no?
Mm.
Likewise, we can add any number of rules. Now let us try to add one more. Let us say business expect the rule which is not part of pre-built rule types. In that case, we can select what? Custom rule type. Abdul,
Again. Say it again.
let's say customer expects beyond what we defined by using existing rule types. In that case, custom is we can define our own where clause.
Mm.
Ali and Abdul, yeah, fine. It's
Yeah.
empty, right? You can write a where clause. Yeah, we'll see that. Then we can type here custom underscore rule. Yeah, clear, right?
This is the
Yeah.
fourth rule, right?
Yes. Yeah. Now let us say here we'll put 80 downgrade value. Fine. Now you can type, yeah, can we type this where clause, Abdul and Ali?
Mm.
Yeah, yes dot C2. Yeah,
S1
like
dot C2.
yeah, s dot c2, not s1. You can put s itself is fine. Yeah. So
S
s dot
dot.
yeah, c2, like let us say we put here in between, sorry, in between single quote. Yeah. You can put here SA. Fine. Yeah. You can just say okay. Yeah.
SA and then
That's it.
Okay.
You can put it within single quote. Yeah.
uh
Or we can also put like this percentage. That's also fine. Yeah. Say okay. Likewise, you can define complicated where clause. I'm just showing one example here, Abdul and Ali. Yeah.
mm,
So that's it. Now, this way we can define n number of rules depending upon the business expectation. Yeah. So now rules part is done. Now we can just go to batch viewer to get it executed. Yeah. So go to batch viewer. Can you see there is a synchronize? Where did you see this message? When we configured trust, we got one message, right? Yes or no?
mm.
So run synchronize to reflect that particular change. So we need to run this. If you don't run and try to run load job directly, it will throw some error message. Yeah. Let us see. See, we got error, right? Yeah. Try to run it from your side. Abdul and Ali.
Synchronize.
Yes. No, you need to run load job directly. Yeah. So we got message, right?
Yeah, it gives me an error.
Exactly.
Uh,
You are right.
I
Let me.
didn't get an error actually.
Mm, oh, really?
Mm.
So we can just synchronize metadata for customer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So we got that error. So now to rectify that, so we need to
Um,
run
it give me
synchronize.
check mark.
Check mark means that's right? Okay, we'll see
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Abdul, you can select this synchronize. Can you see synchronize
Sorry,
job?
I run the validate foreign key relationships.
Oh, that is not required here. You need to run synchronize. Can you see synchronize metadata? Click
Yeah.
on click and run. Ali, you can also do the same thing. Yeah. Now it is successful. I hope it is successful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's successful.
Fantastic. Now we can go back to load and run it. Yeah. See, now it is the right tick mark, right? So it got successful.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's it. So this way we can define the trust settings and also validation rules and execute synchronize and load job. And to reflect this validation rules, right, we can also run this particular revalidate job. Select revalidate job and execute batch. Yeah, that's it. So we can see all the records have got revalidated. Yeah, because we define
Where can I find a revalidate job?
here. Yeah, can you see revalidate?
Fog synchronize.
Exactly, above synchronize.
Ali.
You got it, right?
Uh,
Yeah, just run it. Yeah.
huh? Eh, eh.
Yeah.
And then run revalidate.
Run revalidate. That's all. Yeah. Yeah. Now we need to get into what next topic, another topic, which is rejected records. Remember, sometimes you might get what? Bad records. Yes or no?
Uh,
Which means if you get any bad records like null records or empty records or invalid data, right? In such cases, we need to capture those records in a separate table. In MDM, we have got reject table, which will be created by MDM as part of stage table creation. Yeah? And table name will be C underscore STG underscore CRM underscore REJ. Can you see here? This is going to be
Yeah.
the table
Yeah.
name. Yeah. So now let us see how to understand this particular reasons for rejection. One reason is what? If, let us say, P key source object, P key source object 1, 1, if it is a null, it will get rejected. If it is duplicate, then also it will get rejected. Yes or no? This is one of the reason why the record or records would get rejected. Yeah. And second reason is what? If last update date, whether it's equal to null or future date. Yeah. So I repeat, if it is a null or future date, in that case also data would get rejected. Clear? This is going to be the second main reason, right? Let us try to perform this practically by using a tool. Yes or no? Abdul and Ali? Yes. Yeah. So now let us go to what I call mapping. Yeah. Yeah. Now let us say we have got multiple plunge functions, right? Now we'll insert one record in this landing table where C1 is connected to P key source, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? C1 is connected to P key source object. Now we'll insert C1, which is duplicate data. Then also record should get rejected. Yes or no? Let us see that. Yeah. So first thing, go to, yeah, let's go to SQL developer. We have developer, right? Yes. So go to SQL developer where you can type a query. Select
Should
star.
I change S1 and mapping?
That is fine. S1 is also fine. It will work. Yeah. Ali.
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
I got
Yeah.
disconnected.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, go to
SQL developer.
yes.
Then select star from C underscore STG underscore CRM underscore REJ. There's a reject table. Yes or no? Abdul and Ali? So
How can I type new one?
here only, just go to customer ORS. Yeah. Then press enter. After this, you'll get a new line, right? Then type it here. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. So select customer ORS.
Yeah.
Then you already have one query, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So place the pointer below that. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see this?
I
You cannot
cannot
see here.
type a new one.
No, you need to click on this. There is a down. Can you see?
And enter. Okay.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
you'll
I
get it.
know. Yeah. So select
Star from
select
select space star space
star
from no,
from space
space
C.
yeah C underscore
Yes.
STG underscore
SDG underscore
CRM underscore
CRM underscore
REJ.
RAG.
Reject. REJ.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Now let us run this. Select this and run. Execute, right? Yes. See, it's empty, right? Because we have not defined any rejected condition earlier, but you will have one record, Ali.
Just give me 1 second. I'll run
Yeah.
it. I get
Yes.
error message.
Yes, because one record got rejected, right? Your case earlier. Yeah.
Hmm.
We don't have anything because we did not have any rejections. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Abdul, I think you can see the empty window right here. Yes or no?
I got
Yeah.
error window actually.
Yes, because there is one error, right, in your case. Yeah. So that is fine. So now
Okay.
let us go to, yeah, let us go to the same SQL developer, insert one record to landing table, which
Mm,
is a duplicate record, and
mm,
see whether it would get rejected or not. Yeah.
mm.
So let's insert. Yeah. So insert into,
علي ما جاك ابروفل للاجازه
الا
yeah,
من مين؟
من ابو عايض؟
الا من ابو عايض والمهان.
والله كويس،
اي تم اعتماد اخر واحد فلاح المهان.
ممتاز. الحين
إيه.
عندي مشاري الزكريا.
اتوقع قبلها مشاري has been approved. اخر واحد مين؟ محمد مشاري تم اعتماد الا
انت
مشاري طلب
شفت الايميل اللي انت ليش اذا رسلت لك ايميلات ما you don't ask about them؟
الا
الا ارسلت لك ايميل حق مشاركه البيانات مع وزاره العدل.
سالتك وش ذا قلت لك
ما
بداية
سالتني.
الدورة امس قبل امس.
ايه
الا سالتك قلت لي بعلمك عليه وكملنا احنا الدورة.
اوكي.
اي وش هو؟
نرى.
yes, yes, Abdul.
Can we stop here
Yeah, sure. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Yeah.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow is holiday, right?
Tomorrow is Friday but انت عندك مشكله تحضر يا علي؟
اي
Sunday.
عادي نخليه مثلا
ساعتين
اليوم. اي عادي ما عندي مشكلة
نخليه
الجمعة.
ك
اي
if it's up to you Nara but if you're able to give us like a couple of hours tomorrow we don't mind.
I will leave it. It's your call. Whatever you say,
Yeah,
right?
we don't mind either. It's okay with us if it's 2 hours only. So we want to catch up, you know.
Sure. So tomorrow we'll meet at 1:30 p.m. your time, right?
Yeah, 1:30. Yeah.
So 1:30 to 3:30.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. We can have it. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, Nara.
Thank you very much, Abdul and Ali, and bye.
See
ثانك
you
يو.
tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
بدق عليك يا ابو ناصر.